If you're curious about how artificial intelligence or AI is transforming our world and how it directly affects you, this video is for you. In today's digital age, understanding AI is not just for the tech experts, it's actually for anyone looking to thrive in a tech-driven career. So whether you're starting out or leveling up, knowing this concept can open doors of opportunities and spark your next innovative business idea. So in this video, I'll break down some of the most important key terms in the world of AI, what they mean, how they work, and how they pop up in our daily lives. Let's get started. First off, artificial intelligence, AI. AI simulates human intelligence in machines programmed to think like humans and perform actions like learning and problem solving. When your phone autocorrects your spelling, that's AI analyzing and predicting texts based on common usage. Generative AI. These systems create new content, images, texts, and even music by analyzing patterns in existing data. A simple example is an app that helps you to write better school essays by suggesting improvements. Now, that's generative AI in action. Machine learning, ML. Here, computers learn to recognize patterns and make decisions without explicit programming. When Netflix recommends a movie, it's using machine learning to match patterns in your viewing history with available movies. Large language models, LLM. LLMs are advanced AI models that understand and generate human-like texts. When you chat with a customer service bot and it almost feels like you're talking to a human, that's LLM working behind the scenes. Artificial Neural Network, ANN. Inspired by the human brain, ANN processes information through interconnected nodes, helping machines to learn from data. When you use a voice assistant like Google Assistant or Siri, ANNs help to understand what you're saying per time. Deep learning, DL. This is a type of machine learning inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, using artificial neural networks with many layers to learn from large amounts of data. A practical example is face recognition on your smartphone, which uses deep learning to identify and unlock your phone for you anytime, anywhere. CoPilots. These are AI tools or systems that assist developers in writing code by providing suggestions, auto-completions, and other helpful features based on patterns and knowledge learned from vast code repositories. It's simply like having a mentor that guides you as you learn how to code. Responsible AI. This term is about creating AI systems that are fair, transparent, and respectful of privacy. It includes designing AI to respect privacy, provide transparency, and ensure fairness in decisions, aiming to benefit society while minimizing harm as much as possible. Hallucination. Sometimes AI can get it wrong, creating or saying things that don't make sense. This is called hallucination. Have you ever seen the weather app that predicts snow in Lagos, Nigeria? That's a kind of hallucination. This can happen due to errors in data processing or gaps in the AI's training. 10. Plugins. These are software components or modules that can be added to existing programs or systems to extend their functionalities, allowing for customization without altering the core software. An example is like adding a custom photo filter on Instagram. Token. In natural language programming, NLP, a token is just like a piece of text, like a word. When you speak to your phone and it breaks down your speech into words it can understand and respond to, it's dealing with tokens. Prompt. Now, this is an instruction or an input that we give an AI to guide what it does or what it creates for us. When you type a question into your Google search bar, you're setting a prompt for the search engine to follow and provide you the appropriate results. And there you have it. Now that we've demystified some of the key AI concepts that show how they operate and affect our lives, you can see that AI isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a practical part of our everyday experiences. It's about making life easier, smarter, and more connected for us all. Found this video helpful and want to keep up with how technology is changing the world and what it means for you, make sure to share this content and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, keep winning, and I'll see you in the next video.